Hello everybody, this is the coin cube. So this is a very interesting cube, and as you can see, it also has some interesting moves and functions. One can be seen that you can turn this face itself. Another interesting function is that you can also corner twist and turn these, and these are the only two moves on the cube. Now this cube may look complicated, but it is actually quite easy, and with the method of just solving one face, you can solve all the faces on the cube using the exact same method. So let's start. So since there are only two moves in this cube, we just need to figure out how to do this. I'm going to be mixing up the cube now. So now I think the cube has mixed up pretty well, and so let's try to solve this simple cube. So at the beginning, it might look complicated that how these cubes look, but don't worry. In fact, they're really easy. So the first, you might be focused on these types of pieces, these oval pieces, but actually don't be focused on those. So first pick a side, and you want to actually focus on these tiny corner pieces, which you can barely see and seem pretty insignificant to the cube. So let's focus on these corner pieces first, unlike many of the cubes. So let's pick the white side, and we can solve this cube by getting all the white corner pieces to its proper position. So first, one of the white corner pieces is here. All we have to do to get to its position is make a couple of rotations. First, we are going to do that. And then, so that it all faces the same side, we're just gonna rotate these. No matter what the color is, don't worry about this part right now. But all we have to do is just rotate them so that all of these four corner pieces are the same side. Don't worry, you won't have to make any transfers across the cube. You just have to rotate these four sides so that they're the same color. Simple. Now that we have done that, let's finally get to focus on these. So we can already see that the center is white, and already two of the pieces look like they're in place. But actually, we need it to be correctly in place so that they match up with the rest of the cube. So before we get into that, let's just get the white pieces in place. So we already have two white pieces in place, and the third white piece is going to be right here. So now this is where our horizontal moves like this are going to come in. So what we're going to do is that from its original position right here, we're going to turn it one like there. So like that. Now we're going to insert it. Oh no, but our white piece has gone out of motion. That's why when this type of scenario happens, you're going to still keep it there. We're going to turn this white piece down, and we're simply going to insert it. When you see that these oval center piece and the corner piece are matching, you're ready to now turn it back up to its original position. Now we almost have the white done, and this piece is left. Let's search for the last missing piece. The last missing piece is right here. What we're gonna do is first, we're gonna have to get it up to this top row with a simple spin like that, but we're gonna have to transfer it here first. So to do that, to this face or this face first. So we're gonna simply move it like that, and we're gonna transfer the piece that way so that now it's matched up with its appropriate corner piece. Now, the moves from here are pretty simple. All you have to do is, like the last algorithm, turn it left, bring that white corner piece down, then insert the piece into position. And now, since the oval piece and the corner piece are matching, we're done. So the white face has successfully been finished. Now you might be thinking, oh, there might be different algorithms and etc. to solve these other faces, but actually no, it's actually the exact same thing. So let's continue to solve this red face as it seems that it's almost done. So first, this piece is in the wrong position because this corner piece is yellow, but we needed to make it red. So simple one turn and they're all red. And then we're going to use the same algorithm again for more practice. Turn it to the left, bring the oval piece down, turn it again, and now we have them matching. Let's do it with the other one. Turn it to the left, bring it down, insert it in, make sure they're matching, and turn it up. So a common mistake you might be noticing is that if you turn the cube this way, like it's as in a circle, you might not be able to rotate the cube, because the cube actually needs to be in this position so that the border here can actually turn. If you do it in this position where the oval curved side is pointing up, you won't be able to rotate the cube. Now, moving on to the yellow side. And the thing about this cube is that you can solve any side you want first. So let's, like you might be thinking, no, I need to do all these sides first. No, you can go ahead and straight up do the yellow side. Okay, so for easier, since it's easier to solve the blue first, let's just solve the blue first. Simple, we're gonna rotate it over here, bring it down, colors are matching, bring it back up. And this will continue over the period of time. And if you see a piece in the corner like this, all you have to do is bring it to a free side, a side that has just simply not been solved, like this one. Find the yellow piece, turn it up, bring it down, colors are matching, and now we only have this side left. So when you're stuck in such a position that one side is here, one side is here, don't be afraid. All you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it once, bring that down. I know you're moving the green out of the way, but all we're gonna do is push the orange back in, insert it in, and turn it up. And now our coin cube has been solved. So thanks for watching, guys. This is a simple and easy cube to solve, though it may look complex, the coin cube. Thank you.